How to factory reset Windows 10 laptop or desktop without losing data. You can use this method to reset Windows 10 even when you get error message like this or when you get stuck at some point while resetting Windows 10. So let's start. Let's see how to reset Windows 10. First, open up your browser. Type Windows ISO downloader and hit enter. Click on the first link. Link is also in the description box below. Now click on this to download. Now click on this arrow and select show in folder. Right click Windows ISO downloader and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. On the right side, select Windows 10. First, you will have to select edition, and this is very important part. Make sure you select the latest edition available, and this is the latest edition available as of today. Select Windows 10 Home or Pro. Click on confirm. Then you will have to select language. From this drop down, select whichever language you want and click on confirm. Now right click this PC and click on properties. Check whether your system type is 64-bit or 32-bit. If you have 64-bit operating system, then you have to download 64-bit ISO image. If you have 32-bit operating system, then you have to download 32-bit ISO image. I have 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to click on 64-bit download. Click on save. Now select the location where you want to save the ISO image and click on save, and it will start downloading the ISO image. After downloading, just right click the ISO image and click on mount. Now double click setup.exe. Click on yes. Now it's very important to change this. Click on change how Windows setup downloads updates. Select not at the moment. Don't select this option because this will take more time. Click on next. Click on accept. Click on change what to keep. Now you will see these three options. First option will not remove anything. Your personal files and apps will be safe. But this option is not effective if your computer is infected by virus or malware. Second option will only remove your apps and settings. Your personal files will be safe. This option is very effective. Third option will remove everything only from your C drive. Files on the other drives will be safe. I recommend you to select the second option and click on next. Click on install, and this will factory reset Windows 10. It's better to disable all options, but if you want, you can enable it. Select don't use and click on accept. Select no and click on accept. Select no and click on accept. Select basic and click on accept. Select no and click on accept. Select no and click on accept. Once again select no and click on accept. Now click on File Explorer and as you can see, all the files are still there. As you can see, let's check whether Windows is still activated or not. And as you can see, Windows is still activated. So this is how you can factory reset Windows 10 laptop or desktop without losing data. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please do consider subscribing to our channel. Bye.